Hey guys, winter has finally approached us. It's time to winterize the boat and take the Livescope out and set it up in my ice bundle. I just wanted to show you guys how I have it installed in my boat using the Milwaukee 18-volt batteries. It'd be the same as with the ice. We're now in the boat. Keep everything up in the bow. I've got this little cubby up here. Just pop this off. I got an extra adapter I mounted up in here, and I just keep the black box stored up in here. Just slap a battery in and go. Got the graph off. Help. Better view. All I have to do is take these wires off and take it inside. Okay, back inside the house here where it's nice and warm. On the workbench, got the everything taken apart, and now all I have to do is mount my black box and my graph. Now this is the Garmin pedestal. Comes with everything you need. This is the ice bundle. Got the bag, nice big bag, and all the mounting hardware. So you just got to get this mounted up and wired up. This is the adapter. I have an extra one that I keep in the boat so I don't have to take that out. Just get these on Amazon, like 20 bucks or something. I'll leave a link in the description. And I put these clips on so you just snap them in and go. Pretty easy. This is a power cord I bought separately. It splits out here and it has a power cord for your graph and the black box for the Livescope. So you don't need two separate ones. It just makes it a little more convenient. And it also comes with some auxiliary clips where you can power some lights or something like that. So there we go, with everything all wired up. I'll just pop my graph on and I'll turn it on for you. There we go.